these gaming altcoins will 100x in 2024, and in this video I'm going to be telling you exactly why, who they are, and what utility they bring. Now our first project is called Sidus. We have covered this project, which is a very good project with very good utility behind it and a very good community as well. Now this price is sitting at $0.00654 roughly, and yeah, overall it has been extremely bullish for the month and for the year as well, and its all-time gains I think will be surpassed this upcoming bull run, right? Because this project, a very important thing about it is it has been building through the bear market, which is always good, and the project just looks sick, right? The website looks sick, all of these heroes, everything looks sick, and yeah, like basically I really believe in this project because last bull run it did extremely well, and this bear market it has been building, right? Its market cap is low, like the title says, 61 million. Anything below 100 million dollar market cap for me is it an instant cop. I don't know for you guys how you believe about that, so yeah, let me know your thoughts on that in the comments. But yeah, its market cap is sitting at 61 million roughly, and yeah, it's down 2.75%, and its volume, 24-hour trading volume, is at $2.225 million, right? And yeah, the whole community is just extremely bullish, as you guys can see even here in the comments. Sidus, yeah, price prediction, investment, all of these guys want to know Sidus, whether the price will go up, and most of them are holding, right? That's a good thing, especially with the 24-hour trading volume. People are holding this token, and yeah, it's a very good metaverse token, a very good gaming token obviously, and yeah, their community is also very strong as well. Yeah, this is the pinned tweet, as you guys can see, pretty good engagement, right? Sidus DAO, it's time to name our launchpad. Thanks for supporting the launchpad creation vote. Your input is crucial. So yeah, of course they care about their own community, like any good token should. And overall, I really believe in it, especially since Mr. Beast and more importantly Alex Becker is backing them, and even Jake Paul is following them, which is kind of funny. But overall, they have a lot of support from a lot of big names. Their following count is pretty big on Twitter as well, almost 400k. And yeah, that's really good for a token, right? Not a lot of tokens have that, and this is a gaming token with a lot of utility, but not much like real world problem solving, right? And yeah, even Lady of Crypto is supporting them. Day 5 of my Xmas giveaway, and today we ramp it up. And yeah, of course, like a lot of big names are supporting this project, and a lot of credible names as well, like Alex Becker, Mr. Beast, Lady of Crypto. They are supporting this project, right? And yeah, also, like I said, the website is looking very good. They have another token called Senate, and when comparing them to they do pretty similar things, but in a different way, right? With their max supply being a lot different, like 30 billion for Sidus and 300 million for Senate. Their circulating supply also being different. Sidus being 9.6 bill and Senate being 102.5 million. Their market cap being also different. So yeah, basically Sidus is the less scarce, less expensive token, and Senate is the more scarce and more expensive counterpart, right? But overall, like the project, they're obviously a part of the same project. They both have good tokenomics in my opinion, especially the low cap on Sidus, right, makes me believe in it. And yeah, overall a very good project. I really think this project for the bear market has been building quite well, and I think for the next bull market a 100x is pretty much guaranteed at this point. Or of course nothing is guaranteed in crypto, but it's as close to guaranteed as it can get, right? Obviously that's not financial advice, right? That's simply my opinion. But overall I think these types of gains, we can see them again in no time, right? And yeah, with that being said, let's get into our second project, which is FabWealth. And now this is also a gaming altcoin, and yeah, the market cap, like I said, is even lower here, right? It's 2.9 million, whereas Sidus was 61 million. So yeah, this is just crazy how low of a market cap this is. But this is why I think right now is the best way or the best time to get into it, right? Because it hasn't really been doing all that crazy, and overall the chart looks pretty similar to Cities for the old time at least. And yeah, their community is also pretty strong. They're building the largest high-end gaming ecosystem on the blockchain, and yeah, their website is actually pretty interesting as well. And the games, we're gonna go over them in a second, but the games are really cool as well, right? And yeah, they have multiple high-end games, play to earn and in-game NFTs, and all connected through the gamingverse, right? And yeah, the NFTs are also very important. They have three types of games: Arsenal, FanWatt, and H2O. The Arsenal game is pretty cool, like an throwback. All of them are pretty much throwback games, right? But the Arsenal is like throwback Call of Duty style. Pretty interesting, but on the blockchain, right? That's the thing, and it has in-game NFTs that you can earn, which is innovative in and of itself. And yeah, overall, a pretty interesting game. We'll see the video. Overall, great graphics, great technology, and it's also on the blockchain, like it says. The second one is FanWatt, and yeah, its vision here is to create a sports fantasy game, right, for mobile phones, which is pretty innovative in of itself as well. And yeah, I really think this is a good idea for FabWatt, right? This is an interesting concept. Of course, the market is huge, right? It's sports fantasy games, a lot of money is there to be made, and by making money, obviously this price goes up. And yeah, overall, a really interesting game, really decent, right? All of these are pretty decent games, like you wouldn't go wow at them, but the fact that they're on the blockchain and they're overall pretty decent, right, speaks volumes for themselves. And the last one is kind of a H2O water game, like Subnautica, similarly, but a little bit worse graphics, but again on the blockchain, right? This is not just a gaming, but this is a crypto blockchain gaming website overall. And yeah, it looks pretty cool as well. Yeah, there are also NFTs here incorporated that you can earn, play to earn, right? And all of that stuff is there. And yeah, their tokenomics are pretty good as well. Like I said, market cap 2.9 billion or million, amazing. Low market cap, in my opinion, the best time to get into it is now. Especially for the next bull run, right? When Bitcoin hits, all of these coins are gonna go crazy, and their volume is up 26.28% as well. Circulating supply percentage is 45%, which is pretty low, right? Like that's pretty low. Like I think once the bull run starts, that's gonna be becoming a lot higher. So right now, if you get into it, in my opinion, is the best time, right? And yeah, like I said, overall pretty engaged community, relatively speaking, of course. Yeah, that's pretty much it for FabWatt. And the last token we have for today is Good Games Guild. And yeah, Good Games Guild is another AI or a gaming coin, and the best thing about them is also their market cap, right? There's 6.5 million, another great time to get into it. And the volume is down 8.83% at 647,000. So the volume is really low, the 24-hour trading volume. And yeah, that's, in my opinion, a great indication that right now is the time to get into this coin, right? And overall, right, their community is pretty engaged as well. I like the community. As you guys can see, Construction Trader is following them as well, and that's a pretty reliable quant enthusiast. So yeah, I'll take his word for it, obviously, right? Good Games Guild, similar to the previous two tokens. Their website looks sick as well, right? The team is pretty good, the tokenomics are good, and yeah, overall, their main idea is leading gaming hub for blockchain-based games, right? They want to be sponsoring millions of play-to-earn gamers, which is an incredible way, like an innovative way, if I do say so myself, to kind of take over the gaming and blockchain industry at once. And yeah, by sponsoring gamers, they're going to be getting their product out there, right? And if they sponsor a big gamer, right, like this project is gonna go to the moon. Of course, you guys know this, I know this, everyone knows this, right? And yeah, the website, like I said, looks pretty cool, looks pretty neat as well, and overall a pretty good project. In my opinion, 100x for this project is pretty pretty reachable by 2024. Like by within 2024, obviously for the next 8 days, 9 days is not gonna happen, but within 2024 it's going to be pretty possible. And yeah, also a pretty big thing for good games is they are going to be making assets in the metaverse more productive, all of that stuff, right? They're embracing the future with the metaverse. Yeah, they're creating the largest economy through gaming, like I said. Pretty much a great project, I highly recommend. In my opinion, right, like 100x is pretty reasonable. I think 100x is kind of the floor for all of these free projects. But yeah, let me know which one you like the most. What do you think about the metaverse tokens as well, right? Like we've covered this a lot of times, but this is our first time covering these projects, so let me know which one do you like the most, the least, all of that stuff. As always, leave all of your thoughts in the comments below. As always, I love talking to you as well, and peace.